Alright guys, I've been working on the flipping method over the weekend and have a better way to do it. So, we're going to go and get an example here. This is how I used to do it, and this seems to be working faster. The hardest part of a listing to flip is generally the category. And before we were just adding the two categories and then removing that one, I think that was a little bit too many changes, and that was leading to more suspensions. So what I've learned is the first thing when you open up a listing, what you can actually do is first change this directly to your category, then remove the address, and then add a quick description. And if you can do all that in about 30 seconds, what it does is it makes Google forget about this and makes it look at this and this, which don't normally trigger suspensions. So watch. Animal control. Apply. Now take my website, delete, apply, call today, and geez, refresh, boom, and I'm good. And that is the hardest part about flipping a listing is the category change. The rest is gravy. So let's just go ahead and just finish this one for training purposes. I'm going to change the name first. Let's make this one Melbourne Raccoon. Now I'm not going to hit refresh. I'm going to go to Photos, and I'm going to add a logo. This is why it's so important to make sure the guys get tons of pictures. I use tons of pictures. Okay. Set logo. Now I want you to notice, see how the name hasn't changed yet? We changed the logo, and then now we hit refresh, and then now the algorithm forced that change and is paying more attention to the logo. So I'll hit refresh one more time, go up to info, and boom, there we go. So now let's change the rest of it. Melbourne, we'll take out this one, and I'm just going to put pros. Apply. Don't click refresh. Photos, cover, refresh, info, and look at that. Bam. Now we have the right name, we have the right category. I'm not even concerned with the address or the service area. The last thing that I want to do is the phone number. So I'm going to get my phone number from my Excel sheet. And I'm going to go ahead and grab the phone number, put it in here, paste, apply. Not going to hit refresh just yet. I'm going to go to photos. Now I'm just going to add a couple more photos. Click refresh, info, Fresh. And boom, there we go. Now, look at that. We got our phone number so people can start calling us. We got our name. We got the right category. We're going to start getting leads over here. Oh, isn't this so awesome?